go to these places.
Someone's asking, Vi Dengsu is asking, Nadine, have you had to say no to business opportunities because you transitioned to vegan?
That's an excellent question.
Yes, that's a really good question. So many times I turned down working with different brands just because I don't like working with people or with brands or doing something that's not, I guess, aligned with my values anymore. It would be too difficult. You know, I am kind of promoting the lifestyle, and then at the same time, parang it didn't make sense that I was still working with brands that are basta yun. So I'm very lucky because the brands that I did work with also allowed me to kind of transition to another brand, which is also in their company. So very supportive sila, and I love that everyone is just, you know, super understanding with my situation. So they don't really force me to do things that I don't want to do. So yeah. So
just so you think of, I think we need to remind veganism is a philosophy of life. So imagine it's the same as if you're against sexism or against racism. If you're against racism and this is what you are, and that's what you realize you are, and then somebody tells you, oh, can you promote racism? Of course you're gonna say no, because that doesn't align with my values anymore. So that's how we should see it. And of course it's not perfect, it's not easy. For Nadine, I'm sure it was difficult to, you know, like to navigate, but in the end, yeah, I mean, the world is also changing, so we're gonna have more and more respectful brands, especially for makeup. The cruelty-free label is a huge thing already, so that's already like it's a vegan value, like try not to harm animals to be more beautiful, you know. And that's so basic in a way, but then yeah, brands are moving towards that.
Yeah.
So
also,
yeah, it's easier.
I guess with the businesses that we have, we're very lucky because what? Okay, so
Cheers.
I guess that's it. We'll have to go, guys, because I still have work. Hardworking, but also before we leave, one last thing.
We're not engaged.
That's not what I'm gonna say. No, one last thing. I do have something coming up. This is something 3 years na in the making, and we've been keeping it secret for the longest time. Pero we'll start. Malapit na siyang i-launch. So I'm very excited for this project. I haven't really dropped any other hints about this project, but soon we'll start doing our teasers and everything. So I hope you all support this.
You didn't say anything about
No, I did not.
Okay.
Imagine, like 3 years.
Yeah, it's a really cool project. Nadine has for you guys as well.
Let's leave it at that.
Yeah.
Let's leave it at that. I don't want to say
Hard to
anything
say
more.
anything without.
But yeah. But again,
You have a date or something or no?
no, I don't want to say anything.
Okay. Well,
No, basta
soon.
malapit na yan.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah, this weekend, next week. So yeah, yun lang. No.
It's already okay.
No, it's just the dates.
Okay.
There's nothing else. So yeah, so that's it.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks, guys.